Hello. Today we have 6 old sounds and 6 new sounds. And you guys decide in the comments which one was better. Okay, let's get started. Round 1, we have for the old sounds, storytelling. Definitely an OG. And for the new sounds, the piano. Okay, so let's get started. I'll be totally honest, please don't have a bias. I mean, unless, you want to, I can't control. Okay, let's get started. So, you guys remember how I said that you guys can make a storytelling, and the top comment with the storytelling would be in my next video. Okay, let's get started. Do you see this? This is the top comment in one of my videos. Unfortunately, that video was taken down, but they made an absolute masterpiece of a storytelling. You know what? Actually, it's probably not there because I want you to experience it in the moment. So let's go. You're walking through the forest. Leaves crunch soft beneath your feet. A breeze hums low. The air is sweet. The world slows down. The noise grows thin. Peace begin to bloom within. I don't know if that's good. Let me know. So if you want a chance to do that, you could either put your favorite sounds from this video, from either oldest, newest, or you could just put in storytelling and pray that it's the top comment. So that's storytelling. Keep that in mind. Then we also have piano, which inside there's a little storage compartment, and you could make like a little puzzle, which basically would go something like this. Put this piece, making sure it touches this piece, but it can't alter the shape of it. And then you do bop, 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 and a bop. Alright, so pick your favorite between those two. Okay. Next up, our 2 competitors are Man Subby and a Snap Thingamajig, which is a new sound. Let's go. This time, new will start. That might be loud. Okay, then we got Subaya Sandwich. Remember, he's the British sandwich who wears a tuxedo. If some of you have never heard of Food Pie, that's gonna be hilarious to hear. Alright, so which one did you like better, the Poppy or the Subby? Got it. Next up, we got a tough one, like a very tough one. We got Pierre the Penguin versus Skinny. So let's get started. Old will start this time. Skinny, 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 skinny. Okay, that's scanning. What do we got? Pierre. Don't you like better? Okay. Make sure to tell them in the comments if you're able to. Some of you are not signed in. That's fine. Okay. Next up, we've got a weird one, I guess. Or like, I don't know. We have the Finball, which is from Kids Heart Association, from raising money for like people with sick hearts. And then we have the Woobles tin can. Not a Woobles. I also have Woobles the art in the back there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can't see it. If you guys have been asking me to do a trophy video from back here, or like exploring the trophies, which I don't, well, I guess I don't really want to do it because it makes me seem like I'm bragging, but I know you guys are going to say like, no, it's not. So how about this? I see, okay, let's do a like goal. I don't think I've ever done this before. If this video gets 172 likes, I'll do a trophy video. But you guys have until 1 week. That's the tin can. Now the Finball. I think this one sounds awesome. How's that? Okay, tin can or Finball. Got it. Okay, so we have 2 sounds left for each, and this is gonna be a tough one, like a really, really tough one. I said that last time. These are like 2 favorites. The B-pad, yes, this one is new. That'll come to a surprise to some of you. But let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be drawing a number, an emoji, and a letter, and you guys are gonna have to guess which one it is. So starting off, I'll give you hints. Starting off, the number is even, and it also can be a symbol sideways. That kind of gives it away. What do you think it is? I'm not going to show you what it is until the very end. Next up, the emoji. This is probably one of my favorite emojis. Might be my favorite, like the favorite emoji. This one shows 2 different ways of emotion, but it mostly shows happiness. And okay. Now, finally, for the letter. This letter I'm drawing, kind of looks like half of a butterfly. That's all I'm gonna give you, because that already gives it away. Okay, are you ready to see the answers? Okay, here we go. The number was 8. The emoji was the laughing, crying emoji, and the letter was B. Okay, and now it's competitor. Is straw and remote. Yes, I know it's gonna be a tough decision for you guys. So what color do you think that is? That's not blue, that's light blue. What color is this one? No, that is not red. That is the first color of the rainbow. Jeez, okay. Next up. What color is this one? Okay, is it the same as this one? Look very closely. Is this one the same as this one? What are you talking about? Yes, it is. They're both lavender. All of these 3 are lavender. This is lavender, and this especially is lavender. Okay, we're gonna do one more, and then we're gonna move on. Okay, Take a deep breath in. How do you cut this? And mess it up. Okay. Alright, which color is this one? Wait, before you answer, look very closely. You see this one? Do you see this color? Look very closely. What is this? The one that I'm pointing at. It's Opus. What was it? Come on. Obviously it was Douglas. Let's get this out of the way. Tell me which one was your favorite. And now, for the finale. For the new squad, we have probably what I think is the newest sound to come up in a video. Other than like all the new sounds today. So I'm actually going to call this one the newest sound. Which I think sounds awesome. And then, the oldest, the blankets. And wait a second. Oh no, bye. I need to get out of here. Which one did you like better? Personally, this one might be one of my favorites because I can hug it. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Hope you have a good day. Bye.